What if just 14 days from now you could begin to shed stubborn fat, feel more energized, and take control of your eating habits without starving yourself or feeling deprived? If you've been searching for a structured, proven way to lose weight and reset your metabolism, Atkins Phase 1 might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Phase 1 of the Atkins diet, also known as the induction phase, is where your transformation truly begins. Designed to jumpstart fat burning by switching your body into a state of ketosis, this initial step is crucial. By significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and emphasizing fats and proteins, the body transitions from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. This shift can lead to rapid weight loss, improved mental clarity, and decreased hunger. Atkins Phase 1 isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about understanding the power of metabolic change. By limiting net carbs to about 20 grams per day, mainly from high-fiber vegetables, the body is forced to turn to stored fat for energy. The result is a natural appetite suppressant effect, helping you reduce cravings and maintain steady energy throughout the day. But this journey isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. Many people begin Atkins after years of frustration with other diets. They feel stuck, overwhelmed, and skeptical. That's why Phase 1 matters so much. It gives you visible, empowering results fast, helping restore confidence and control. Every meal becomes a moment of self-care and commitment to change. To succeed in Phase 1, focus on foods rich in healthy fats and quality protein. Think eggs, chicken, fatty fish, beef, cheese, and leafy greens. Avoid bread, pasta, sugar, fruit, and starchy vegetables. Read food labels carefully and stay hydrated, as your body will excrete more water during this phase. Electrolyte balance is also important, so consider adding a bit of sea salt to your meals and drinking bone broth or taking magnesium and potassium supplements. Some people may experience keto flu symptoms in the first few days: fatigue, headache, irritability, or dizziness. This is your body detoxing from sugar and adjusting to using fat as its primary fuel source. Stay committed. It usually passes within a few days and signals that ketosis is near. Meal planning is a powerful tool for success. Prepare simple meals ahead of time, such as grilled salmon with spinach, scrambled eggs with avocado, or a lettuce-wrapped burger with cheese. Keep Atkins-friendly snacks on hand like nuts, boiled eggs, or celery with cream cheese to avoid slipping up. And don't forget, the goal of Phase 1 isn't to live with restrictions forever. It's to lay the foundation for lasting fat loss and metabolic health. Once you've reached your initial goal or adapted to ketosis, you can gradually reintroduce carbs while maintaining your results in the next phases of the Atkins lifestyle. There's no better time than now to take that first step. You don't need to wait until Monday, after the holidays, or when life feels calmer. Your health transformation can start today with one choice, one meal, one phase. Have you ever tried Atkins Phase 1 or another low-carb plan? What was your biggest challenge or success? Share your experience below. We're here to support and learn from each other.